Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using 3 colors from Lift Your Spirit Dips, and I'm really excited about these colors because these are 3 colors that are exclusive to the October Mani of the Month kit. And the first color here is called Lookin Fa-Boo-Lous, and it's a beautiful orange. Now it's pulling a little bright on camera, but it's more of a darker undertone orange, and it's super pretty. And it pairs perfectly with this other one, and I love the names of these dips. This is called My Boo Crew, and this is a stunning fine chunky glitter mix, and it has an orange base, and then it has these beautiful almost black in some lights, and then it shifts to like a dark navy blue in other lights. It's super gorgeous, and I really like that unique glitter, and it pairs perfectly with Shaking That Booty. That's such a fun name. So this color is amazing. It's like a midnight dark sky color, and it has a slight shimmer to it. And when I was dipping into this, you can definitely chrome that dip powder. And look at the 3 of these together. They're super pretty. Not only are they perfect for October, but these are perfect for November, for that fall coziness. It's giving me like midnight sky fall vibes, and I think it's just super pretty. And then we are going to be doing the mani today on my short Coffin nails, and we're going to be using dip liquids. Now, the October Mani of the Month kit, it's a kit that Lift Your Spirit offers. It's a non-subscription kit, which is super awesome because then you're not committed to a box. Plus, you get sneak peeks of the colors, so you know what the colors are, so you're not going to get stuck with like 3 colors that are really not your jam. So that's another reason why I really like this box. Now, the colors are 3 exclusive dip powders, which is super awesome, and you don't have to get full-size jars. You can either pick when you are creating your box. You can pick if you want 0.25 jars, or you could get sample size jars, which is super awesome. And then you also get a fun Halloween cuticle oil in here as well. And then there's some other fun full-size mani tools that will help you achieve your mani. The boxes are super well made, and it's just super fun. And it also, you get access to an exclusive YouTube video as well to help inspire you create a mani. So for today's mani, we're just going to use the 3 colors from the kit. I did just look right now before I uploaded this video, and it is low in stock. So if this is something that you want, definitely don't sleep on it. Grab it, because these powders apply amazingly. The chunky glitter you will see here in action right now, and wait till you see when we go in with that second layer of glitter. It is stunning. And then the dip powders, I only needed 2 coats of the dip powders. That's how pigmented they were. I mean, I could have done 1, but I did 2 just to build up the opacity and then some more strength on my nail. But these powders are super buttery and super pigmented, and they did not stain my brush or anything like that, or leave any staining by the cuticle. And look at that sparkle. I can't get over these 3 colors. This box is pulling at my heartstrings because it's like all my favorite colors in one. I love fall. I love Halloween, if you haven't figured that out yet by my little Halloween series. And then the little mashup I just posted. I really like Halloween and fall, and these colors are perfect. And I really think these colors are perfect for that November season as well. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how pretty are these colors together? I think they're perfect. They're giving me a lot of cozy fall vibes, and I'm here for it. So we're gonna finish up the mani with some cuticle oil from Lift Your Spirit Dips. She released tons of amazing, yummy scents, so definitely check that out. I will go ahead and link everything that we use in the description box below for today's mani. Stay tuned. We have some other fun manis coming up today, and I have another Lift Your Spirit Dips mani on the way, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon. Bye!